Anybody who's got to deal with a troublesome neighbor, and they come in all different shapes and sizes, and for many different reasons. I feel for you. I've been there.
Ooh. Calm down.
Let her.
Calm
let
down.
her. Let her.
Hey.
Let her. No,
Piece
let
of
her.
trash.
Let her. Let her. No, let her. Call the police. Call.
Hey.
I've already called the police.
Okay, let the police come out here.
Yeah, you're a dirty cop back
Do it.
there.
Do
Told
it.
you not to call. You go back in your house.
Do it.
Look, we've seen Karens and neighbors get mad because of stereos. We've seen them get mad because of people playing on their grass or noisy neighbors with their music. You name it. How about this one, though? How about your neighbor getting mad at you for doing your job?
Just don't do.
You're gonna have to speak to me, boss. I'm sorry, but you are living in the countryside.
Give me the boss.
You are living in the countryside, aren't you?
Yeah, all he's doing is getting rid of his I'll tell you, he'll be one sick man. He will.
Right, okay.
He'll get sick. No, get him here.
These
Get
are
him
our
here.
fields, and we do need to.
We're not pigs all together.
Can I ask you to get down from my tractor,
No,
please?
no.
Can I ask you?
Don't upset me, because I'll break every window out the tractor.
Yeah, it blows me away when they make statements like that. Or I'll do this and I'll do like what? Well, you think I'm just going to stand here and let you just destroy my equipment? Are you out of your mind?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
I'm telling him now.
But can you at least keep 2 meters away, please?
I'm
Because
telling
it's
him
COVID.
now.
Because of the COVID-19,
I
can you
don't
please
care
keep
about
2 meters
fucking
away, please?
nothing.
Okay.
You
well,
get him to take this shit away from my home now.
Right, okay.
Now.
Okay.
He's got to live here the same as we are. Does
Right.
he want trouble? Does he want trouble?
But I.
Because he can have it.
You
Never
aren't being
mind
funny,
you
but you're
lot.
round here. You're round here,
I'll
though,
punch
aren't you?
you in the face,
No,
you.
you won't. No, you won't.
Well,
No, you won't.
Now, clearly there's a whole bunch of backstory that we do not know about. Well, she's going to err a little bit, but she's being petty about a bunch of things. And something tells me that there's a good history. There's a reason why she's acting the way she is.
You mow that
Get it off my property! Get it off! Get it off my property! Yeah, your camera will start showing!
You
God,
morning.
get in!
You in the morning.
Get in!
You
Get in.
go in the morning.
Get in! Get in and call the cops! Get in and call the cops! I want them here now! Get in and call the cops! Now!
I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not my place to tell you your business, but this seems like the kind of situation where you let the boy go do what he feels he's got to do. I was thrown out there. They was yelling at him, hey, get out here. Hey, hit this guy.
It's not my fault! You're a stupid. You can't see where your line is!
You say. What
Shut
you
up!
take it?
Shut up!
You take it.
And tell your kid he can
You
record
take
it all
it.
he wants. I really don't give a
Take it.
Okay.
You take-
Okay, I'll do it. Yeah. 14 years
Yeah.
old and he fights your battles for you.
Yeah.
14,
Yeah.
you can't even name my age right.
Tell me, tell you-
Idiot.
You say you lie.
No,
my
no,
lie.
I'm not gonna shut up. I'm not gonna shut up.
No, one day you're going to look back and you're just going to think to yourself just how stupid this whole thing was. Getting this whole thing blown out of proportion on one morning just because you was in some kind of way.
You will when the cops come.
We'll see about that.
Yeah, we will. You do see where your property line ends, right?
It's there too.
No.
It's there
Your
too.
property line ends right here, buddy. This is a public alleyway.
Yeah, you.
Public alleyway.
What about you? Hey. What about you? But you say you lying.
You
Oh
are.
yeah. Look where yours is. Look where yours is.
Ya,
You be
cállese,
quiet.
no, cállese. Cállese y verá. Yeah, she know.
One of these days, Louis, you're gonna grow up. You're gonna be 60 years old and you behave like you're 4. Because you didn't get your own way with the fence.
Honestly, from the outside looking in, I think you could take a little bit of your own advice also.
And your camera
You
that you
see-
have in your little shed on the porch, get it off my property.
I can't
Oh,
believe
the
it.
police already said they can't do anything.
You done the point.
Oh, this is
When it's
comedian.
pointing on my property, I can do what the hell I want. Remember that.
Do it.
No, you can't control where your neighbor points their camera.
What
You
did the
have no
cops say?
business having a camera pointing on my property that's in your shed on your back porch.
Then ask the police. Ask the police.
Que te callas una falta tú porque te voy a dar la jeta.
Cállese, cállese ya.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, you're saying you lie and you
The
believe it
fence
more.
was here when you
Yeah,
walked.
you more
The
all the
fence has
time.
always been there. It
You
was
all
there
the
before
time.
you moved
You
here. It was
say it,
here
yeah.
when you moved here. You were too of an to knock on the front door and be a decent human being after everything my husband did for you.
Oh,
You wouldn't
yeah.
have the signs if it weren't for my husband.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have
Yeah.
the roof if it
Yeah.
weren't for my husband.
Yeah.
All the tools you borrowed
Yeah.
from my husband.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You act like Joe never
Yeah.
did a thing for you.
Yeah.
Piece
Look who's
You
talking.
too.
Yeah. When did you ever help Joe? Never.
Never. I make a basement.
My basement was already done before you even moved here.
yeah,
Nice try
right.
though, buddy.
As with most neighbor disputes, you don't never really know the whole story, but just judging by her attitude and whatnot, I'm liable to believe most of what she says. But like always, the truth is always somewhere in the middle.
Jesus said, whosoever therefore shall confess me before men, him will I confess before my Father which is in heaven.